Welcome back to a brand new episode of Clean Talks with me, Naina Rohe. Today we are talking to the founder of a brand that's redefining self-love, breaking taboos, and bringing a revolution in the personal care sector. Sachi Malhotra from That Sassy Thing. Hi, Sachi.
Hi, how are you? When I was younger, like 15 years old, I was diagnosed with PCOS, which is very common polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's a hormonal condition, and 3 in 5 women in India have it. I experienced a lot of bullying due to excessive weight gain, due to excessive body hair. That played a toll on my mental health, and that was not something that was spoken about. I also experienced vaginal dryness, finding sex painful, and again, those conversations were not had in the mainstream. And that's when I identified a gap, that there's no safe space where women can have these conversations openly. Education is really important, and also acknowledging the fact that it's okay if you don't know something. That's totally fine. It's one thing to not judge yourself. That's one. And I think a lot of unlearning has to take place as well in order for you to learn how things can be better for you. The thought has always been, and the realization was, that people want to learn more about their bodies. They want to explore their bodies. They want to explore their sexualities. At times they don't know where to start from. So we wanted to be that starting point for them, and be with them throughout their journey, as they're in different parts of, I would say, their life. So we have very holistic and comprehensive sex education masterclasses on all topics, right from gender and sexuality to basics of sex ed, right from how to use a condom to how to avoid STIs to intimacy after childbirth. There's one really exciting launch that we do have coming up. I can't talk about that right now, but this is one product that we just launched 2 days back.
Wow. It's called Rocket.
It's called Rocket, yeah. And it'll take you to space, trust me. So in the next couple of years, That Sassy Thing will be owning the women's vaginal wellness space with different products like supplements, for better sex, longer lasting lubes for women with PCOS, with perimenopause, menopause, because those are highly under-tapped categories, and also categories that have a lot of problems that do exist, but no one has really solved for them yet.
Self-love isn't just a trend, it's a daily ritual, and That Sassy Thing is making it easier, more fun, and totally judgment-free. Go ahead and check them out now, and I'll see you again on the next episode. Until then, keep it clean, green, and beautiful.